Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make seafood bisque. First, gather your fresh seafood, such as shrimp, scallops, and a firm white fish. You'll also need aromatic vegetables like celery, carrots, and onions, finely diced. A good quality fish stock is crucial for depth of flavor. We'll start by sautéing the vegetables to build a flavorful base, then add the seafood and cook it gently. To build that incredible flavor, begin by sautéing your finely diced mirepoix, that's carrots, celery, and onion, in butter until they're tender and translucent. Next, deglaze the pot with about 1/4 cup of dry white wine, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom. This adds a wonderful complexity. Then, stir in a tablespoon of tomato paste and cook it for about 1 minute to enhance its sweetness and color. Once your base is ready, pour in 4 cups of quality fish stock and bring it to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 20 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Now, carefully add your pre-cooked seafood and 1 cup of heavy cream, stirring until just heated through. For that signature bisque texture, use an immersion blender to puree a portion of the soup, or transfer it in batches to a regular blender for a wonderfully smooth result. Finally, taste your bisque and adjust the seasonings with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper for a subtle kick. Serve your luxurious seafood bisque hot, perhaps with a swirl of creme fraiche and a sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley for a beautiful presentation. It's truly a restaurant-quality dish you can make at home. Don't forget to check the description below for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.